Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. Today we're going to be turning a large block of walnut like this into two bench hooks. In particular, these are often called Sloyd hooks. So this is going to be a lot of fun. How exactly do we get these pieces out of that block? Let's find out. So for these hooks, we're going to be making them out of walnut. And this is a beautiful piece of walnut I've had lying around for a while. It's actually the same piece I made my bench jaws out of. So we're going to have a little bit of fun with this. You want it to be something thicker so you can actually work into it. And we're just going to cut this to length, chop out the hooks themselves, and then slice them into two. So let's dive in by making this smooth and rectangular. We have the cuts down to the line made. Now some people may actually skip that and just take a saw and cut at that diagonal all the way across. And that's something you can do if you're good with a saw. But I want to show this way to learn how to use a chisel. And making simple cuts like this can make it very easy to clean this out with a chisel. So let's dive into that. do a little bit of cleanup on those saw marks. So there you have it, 2 bench hooks. Now what exactly are these for? Now you may have seen me use this bench hook in the past, and this is great for making cuts on things at the bench, but the problem is if I'm working on something long, there's nothing to support this end out here. And these 2 bench hooks then, they can work together, and because they're made of the same piece, they have the same settings, and you can hold one piece no matter how long you need, and work at it one end just like you would with a normal bench hook, but with 2 adjustable hooks for whatever wood you have. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is a fun little project that most people can do in an afternoon, and it's a great way to build a tool for your bench that you can use for years and years to come. There's a lot of little ways that you can modify these to make them fit you and the way you like them. So if there wasn't enough how-to detail on this, you can go to my second channel, Wood by Wright 2, and on that I put a detailed video going through step by step how exactly I make these, what I was thinking, why I did it the way I did it. Go over there and check that out. And also if you want to see more detail even than that, Roy Underhill has like a 25-minute long video where he goes into detail making his version of the bench hook. So I'll leave a link to that down below as well. That's about it for today. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Whew! I love these. I mean, you could say I'm hooked.